first of all, let me show you the bill. How shocking it is. Look, this watch, which in any other stores we can buy at 99 real, we bought in SHOPIA in shock sale. Look, you can see here U8 Bluetooth smartwatch for only 1 SR. Isn't it amazing? We bought it in shock sale. It was on that time, it was a shock sale, so we bought. Look here, I'll show the images of this. It's with original price and on shock sale. You can observe it's so cheap, only 1 real. And then this one, it's 196 real. This watch is, you can see here, Bingo A1 Bluetooth smartwatch. It's 96 real. It was not on shock sale then also. 69, sorry. It was not on shock sale then also. It's cheap, but real price is 196 real. You can see this power bank. It is a solar power bank. You can observe here electric no, not. You can see here, look, E-top 300 solar power bank with, sorry, it is not 300, it is 30,000 mAh. Means it's so good, and it is also on 69 real, which was more than 69 real. I forgot the price, original price. And now you can see this is the electronic luggage scale. You can see electronic luggage sale only for 19 real, and the real price was some 40 something or like this real. Actually this and this one both were on 1 real. Till the process of the billing and booking, the time was finished of this shocking sale, and from 1 real it became to 19 real. You can observe here, see here, 19 real. Then this is toothpaste dispenser. It's good for kids that they do not mess the toothpaste. You can see here the tooth holder and tooth dispenser, automatic tooth dispenser with tooth holder, 25 real. It was 50 real. It in discount it is 25 real. Then it is a selfie stick, mini selfie stick. See here, selfie stick DW. Foldable, foldable all-in-one mini monopod. It's 6 real. It was really on 12 real, and it in discount it is on 6 real. Actually, I don't know the correct discount prices and the original prices. I'm showing the photos in the video. You can see the real prices and how much percentage is discounted and what is the after price discount. This SHOPIA, everything is in Gulf, whole Gulf, like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Kuwait, Bahrain. So you can buy these items on very cheap cost. Let me first of all show you this tooth. Let me show you first of all this tooth dispenser. MashaAllah, how white it is. I like white color. This is the toothbrush holder here, like this, and this is the Touch Me toothpaste dispenser.
Here put
the brush,
and it will come. The paste will come.
I will show you the demo in all the items in next video, or else our video will be too long. And with this, look, it is a double tape mountain. Okay, let me show you another thing.
It is smartwatch, Bluetooth also, SIM also.
MashaAllah,
tabarakallah, subhanallah.
It's Bluetooth, SIM and memory. It has everything. It's a smartwatch. You can see here.
MashaAllah,
how
tabarakallah,
nice it is.
subhanallah.
Here is the battery cap. No?
This.
Wow. It will suit in my hand. Inshallah.
This. MashaAllah, it is looking very good here.
Thank you.
It is only Bluetooth smartwatch. It is very nice, MashaAllah, tabarakallah, subhanallah. You can see it is also fitting in my hand. I think
MashaAllah, it's so good, Hadi.
I think it's for me. It's fitting on my hand.
MashaAllah, it's looking good on your hand, Hadi. MashaAllah, it's so good.
Thank you, Bhaiya. Jazakallah.
Welcome. You're most welcome.
Now this is electronic luggage scale. It's from here. You can see.
Look, this is electronic luggage scale. Wow, it's also so good. MashaAllah, subhanallah.
MashaAllah, subhanallah, tabarakallah.
Here is the shell of that to put here.
It is mini one pot selfie stick. You can see it's so long. You can see it.
It's mini, that's why it's a little bit small.
It is ETOP power bank. It is solar and electronic also. It is so good, mashallah.
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah, tabarakallah, subhanallah. It is so lighting. Finish.
These two watches are a gift from my father. Every time this is for Hadi and this is for me. Our parents think that we are so good children, that's why every time they will give us some gifts, some surprises. Like this time they gave us a gift these two watches. Last time also they gave some gift, but I forgot to unbox that and show it in the video. Look, this is the beauty glass which he gave me as gift, and also he gave Daniel Quran, the pen Quran. Also that video is there in the YouTube. I'll give the description link in the description box. MashaAllah. How is it? It's very good, no?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you guys for watching our video. I'll give the link of the online shopping KSA in the description box.
Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.